Hi guys, Brad McKinnon here, New Zealand interior plasterer, jib stopper and drywall finisher. Today's video we're going to be repairing an redundant electrical socket. There's a number of ways you can do this, and if you check out my channel there is a number of videos showing you different ways of doing this. Remember, there's no right or wrong way, there's just a different way, a load of different ways for getting to the same result, which is a nice smooth wall ready for painting. But today's video I'm going to show you a different way that I do it. If you've seen my videos before, you might have seen me do this before, but if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I've got loads of repair videos for DIYs, and this one here is a pretty quick one. First of all, I'm going to start by just cutting out any sort of loose plasterboard that's broken around the socket. I'm not even going to take the socket out, just going to leave it in there because it's back behind the wall far enough, it's not going to interfere. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the edge of the plasterboard on a 45-degree angle, and you'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. But we're going to go right around the outside, and we're going to just remove any of that loose stuff that's in the way, and then we'll get a new piece of plasterboard and we'll just hold it up, and we're going to mark it on the outside of that 45-degree angle, because what we're going to do is we're going to cut this piece on a 45-degree angle as well. So we're going to stick it in with some plaster adhesive, and just being on that 45-degree angle will allow it not to sort of fall into the hole. Now, especially if you have nothing in behind it, if you choose to take the socket box out, that's absolutely fine. This will stop the bit of plasterboard from falling into the hole, doing this 45-degree cut on the angle. So we're just doing the same thing on the new piece of plasterboard right around the edge. We're just going to sit it in there and try it. Now we want it just to be below the surface of the wall, because when we use our adhesive plaster, that's going to take up a bit of room as well, and that should bring it up nice and flush. So we'll just keep checking it till it fits nice and snug, just like that. And we also want to just mark which way's up, so when we come back to stick it in, we know which way it goes in. So I mixed up some plaster adhesive. This is Cornice Bond, and this stuff sets rock hard, and it's really good adhesive plaster. So that's going to tie it all in nicely. So we've put some on the wall, and we'll put some right around the new piece, so it goes onto the paper. That's where it's going to stick. And we'll just push it in gently, just making sure it's nice and flush all around. Just clean off, and it's easy as that. We'll just let that set hard and dry. It takes sort of an hour, and we're going to hit it with some all-purpose joint compound and a bit of fiber fuse tape, which I've already cut, and we're going to just press that in. And that's as far as we're going to go in this video. If you want to see how I finish it with the 3 coats of plaster, I've got a video you can click here at the end, and that'll show you the full process. And that'll also show you that little trick where you get those air bubbles on a painted surface. So this is the video, here it is there. Click on it now and you can watch that full process there. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Quick little one. Hit the subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one.